Hi guys, good morning everybody. I am all of yours lovable Jeet means Dr. Jeetendra Gawali. As I was commit you all of you that I will provide you the very important and useful information about the Neet exams, and already we have uploaded up to 3 videos of our Neet commitment, that the series of our Neet. So this is the fourth video of informative video of our regarding Neet's information and Neet preparation exam, and how to get success in the Neet exam. Regarding that, one more video I am going to upload it in our series, that if you are not subscribed or like my channel Dr. Jeetendra Gawali as the name of our channel, please go there and subscribe and like my channels. As I was coming to you, I am in front of all of you, stand here for to inform you about the Neet exam preparations and to get the success in Neet exam preparations. Our series, as we was committed, as we was promised to all of you, that I will provide the series of Neet exam preparations. According to that, this is the fourth video of our series, and myself Dr. Jeetendra Gawali hereby inform you that the today's topic of our Neet information programs is before and on the day of exam, what we can or what we could or what we has to do, how to prepare ourselves as far as the exam purpose. The most important thing regarding to the preparation of exam is the previous night is a very important night for all of us, as far as we are going to prepare or going to exam appearance. The calm, cool and very sound sleep is very essential and needful for all of us to get minimum 7 to 8 hours sleep before the day of exam night. And one more important thing is that on that day or before 1 to 3 days, we have not need to go the details study. We have to just overlook our study which we have completed, and the formulas of physics or chemistries we can just read or overlook. Don't try to go the details as far as study is concerned. One more important thing is previous night we have to take a very light meal. Because of that we may get fit and fine up to the exams. That is why we have to take very light meal, rice or something, whatever maybe you like. And after that, when we start to go for exam, or when we start to go for whole examination of all, then there are some more important things which we can be provide, which we can be conduct, or which we can be attempt. Wherever there are our parents, we have to take the blessings of them. Then in which God you believe, that God also the role of that God is also very important in our success. So take the blessings of your parents and God. And one more important thing is that when we are going to prepare for exam purpose, the center and where we live, the distance of that particular things has to be noted, or has to be get in your mind, that as far as concerned to the traffic, because on that day there might be very traffic jam in particular that cities. So in previous night we take some ideas, or how many distance is there in between centers and our home or hostel or whatever maybe the room might be. Then one more important thing is that whenever we going to start for the exams, the documents, particularly the ID proofs, we shall have to take with us. Without losing, or without that ID proofs, we may not get entered in that particular halls. And uniform is a much more important thing. If we buy a newly uniform, then also you can iron it. The dust or dust might be disturb you. So please keep clean, neat and iron uniforms. One more important thing is to not to perfume or get makeup at the time of the exam, because one thing we should always remember one thing, that we are not going for the functions or programs, we are just going for appear the exam. So there is no need of perfumes and makeups and all that things. So everyone has to just avoid all that things which are not necessary for exams or exam preparations, and all the extra things which we always keep with us, we have to avoid all that. The things which are allowed or needful, that things only carry with you. And one more important thing is, whenever we start for going to exam, we have to take a little but meal. That is why that meal helps us to provide energy, and it helps to avoid the acidity, nausea, vomiting and all these things. But particularly those students who are having already the acidity, motion sickness, nausea, vomitings, they have to take antacid tablets along with the antiemetic tablets. But most of the time antiemetic tablets having hangovers, and there is a influence or the effect of that tablets might be up to 4 to 5 hours. That's why that antiemetic tablets has to be taken before 3 to 4 hours. So the hangover or the effect of that tablets has to be released or regrets up to that time. And whenever we get entered on the door of the hall, entrance hall, at that time, whenever that all formalities of the entrance has been completed, and just when we entered in the hall of that exam hall, at that time we should be very cool and confident, very confident. So whatever may be the questions, every questions, the answer of every questions we should know, and basically we knows all the answers of all questions, but because of depressions or because of uncomfortness, because of the disturbance of minds and afraid of the exams, we get forget or we doesn't find out or doesn't get out the particular answer of that questions. Because last 1 year we have completed 1 or 2 years, most of the repeated students has done study for 2 years, and all the students particularly most of the times knows all the answers of all questions, but because of that thing they doesn't get understand or doesn't collect or don't collect, won't be able to find out the particular answer of that questions. So don't be afraid or don't be disturbed, just cool and confident at that time. It will be very helpful to one of us. And whenever we got the answer sheets in our hand, then remember one thing, that we have to write all the informations on the answer sheets with the help of your very neat and clean answers. Doesn't go there for any disturbance or anything more than the little bit handwriting should be very clean and neat at the time on the answer sheets. And after the answer sheets, they at a particular time they will provide you the question paper, that is question sheets. Whenever we got question sheet in your hand, then one thing is, remember that previously I was tell you that one question one time. There was our video, there is our video on the YouTube. Jeetendra Gawali is the name of our YouTube channel. If you don't subscribe up till now, then please subscribe and like this channel. There is one video on that channel, that is one question one time. Whenever we got the answers sheet and question sheet both of in our hands, then we should go only on that topic or only on that subjects in which we get interested, or in which topic we are interested. If we interested in biology, then go to biology, zoology, botany, and then physics, chemistry, and go only on that question which we are interested. So that